it's your girl Pardonmybeautii TV, and I'm back with another video. So, this is gonna be my vlog. I'm about to make burgers, guys, because I'm hungry. I should be working out, but I think I'm gonna work out when I get home from work tonight, and then just work out tomorrow morning again. I'm hungry. I can't even be healthy. I think I'm gonna put some shrimp on it and call it a day, honestly. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, so while the burgers are cooking, I just want to come back and say, like, I'm supposed to be working out. I said that already, but I'm hungry. But I really need to work out because I have a wedding coming up in less than 2 years. And I just want to look nice in my dress and be comfortable and healthy. So yeah, what we're going to be doing today, guys, I'm going to eat. I'm gonna watch one of my favorite YouTubers, which is All of Destiny, and she didn't post nothing new, but I'm just watching one of her old videos because I don't have nothing else to watch. And then I'm gonna go get my daughter, or I might clean up, then go get my daughter, then go to work. So yeah, I'll show you guys that when I'm done. I'll show you guys maybe the burgers and then what I'm doing next. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try to feed my baby while I record. While I wait until it's time to get my daughter. Alright guys, so basically we're at my daughter's school and I'm waiting for her to come out. She's usually the last class to come down, and there's nobody other parents here yet, but we're still waiting. Baby's right here. Alright guys, so I know that this vlog is probably all over the place, but I'm about to work out. I got my daughter and then I can finish the rest of my day. I thought I was going to work out later, but I might as well get it over now. It's going to be like 15 minutes and yeah. Okay guys, so basically what I was saying is that my body feels like it's melting. I'm tired, and overall just it was a good workout. And just make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for my next video, and I'm out.